Hi, in this video, I want to give you a few tips that will help you make the most out of this data structures and algorithms course. First of all, I would say it's extremely important to maintain consistency to actually master data structures and algorithms. For this, I have structured this course as daily challenges, so all that you need to do is never miss a day. So I would highly encourage you to make this commitment that till you're done with this course, you will complete every day's target, and in this way, you will not only have consistency, you will also build momentum, which is very crucial to actually achieve difficult goals. The second tip that I have for you is that try to solve questions on your own before you go ahead and take a look at the solution. It's actually not about successfully solving the question, but rather it's about trying to solve it. That's where the learning happens, because you try to think on your own about the question and you understand your gaps in learning, and maybe you will be able to solve the question on your own as well in many cases. So always ensure that you try to solve the question by yourself before you take a look at the solution, and that difficulty, that friction that you experience when you do this will translate into solid and long-term learning. The third tip that I have for you is that don't skip coding the solution. Now, over here in this course, you will find that you will be able to code the solutions without going anywhere else in the environment provided by Udemy. So do make use of that and ensure that you try to code the solutions on your own, because you will have to ultimately do that in the coding interview. And when you try to do this, you will see that in many cases you will get stuck, and that's actually a gold mine, because when you try to code a solution by yourself and you get stuck, you learn crucial things, you understand what needs to be reviewed or what area needs to be revisited, etc. So always ensure that you code the solution by yourself. The fourth tip that I have for you is I would highly recommend to go in the order that the course is presented. This will be useful because some aspects are discussed in greater detail towards the beginning of the course, and towards the latter part of the course, because we have already discussed that previously, we may go faster when discussing some things that repeat. So I would recommend that you go in the order that the course is presented. And my final tip for you is, if you see that you are aware of a topic, rather than skipping, I think it would be a good idea to watch those lectures at 2x speed, because many times you may get stuck in a coding interview because you have forgotten a simple thing that you thought that you knew well. So probably going through lectures on topics that you're already aware will be a good idea. It will be a good refresher, and it will also solidify the learning that you already have, and maybe you will learn something new. A bonus tip, do check out the tracker which is provided as a downloadable resource and stick it on your wall, and whenever you're done with the day's challenge, put a tick mark over there, and then when you're done with the next day's challenge, put a tick mark again on the tracker, and in this way you will build a streak, and this will help you ensure that you don't miss a single day, because you would not want to lose your streak. So do check out the tracker sheet provided as a downloadable resource. Let's get started. See you in the next video.